Cock-a-doodle-doo. Super Rooster Rocco loves to crow. He has a lovely colorful tail and he's got big muscles. Rooster Rocco loves to exercise. Exercising every day makes Rooster Rocco healthy and strong. He also flaunts letter R on his chest. Look, kids! Super Rooster's R is glowing as he's gaining power from all that exercise. So kids, put your listening ears on and remember, just like Rooster Rocco, make sure to love your body and exercise every day. Super Rooster Rocco is the ultimate protector of the farm, and he loves jumping up and down the trampoline so high. Rooster Rocco's superpower is karate. Karate? It is a kind of martial arts, kids. You can learn it in a dojo. Dojo? It's a Japanese word for a classroom for learning martial arts, kids. Gander the Goose returns. He wants to grab those yummy eggs in the farm. And Rooster Rocco gets alert to use his martial arts skills. Gander gets into karate mode as well. After a zip-zap face-off with Gander the Goose, Rooster Rocco decides to use the ultimate karate move. He packs in some more exercise by lifting up the big weight in front of him a couple of times. Oh wow, kids! Rooster Rocco gets double the power now. His R sign is glowing again. Rooster Rocco jumps up high and does a karate flip. Seeing Rooster Rocco's ultimate karate flip, the goose gets scared and flies away from the farm. Rooster Rocco is truly the ultimate protector of the farm. So kids, just like Super Rooster Rocco, you have got powers inside you to do anything you want. Just keep calm and believe in yourself.